Okay, this is a return to a job we did about 5 years to top up the gravel, the 10mm Ballylusk gravel. The materials used to complete the driveway were cobbles for the apron and the apron in front of the garage, a double cobble surround, and then a raised edge for the beds to define. We also included bullnose steps, Buxus hedge to soften, and enough parking for 4 cars. Underneath the gravel we have used the core gravel matting system, which gives great stability for car tyres and steadiness underfoot. Okay, that's our job in Cabin. Thank you.